Hi friends! Due to close down, we all are facing challenges and so are children. Many of the moms approached me saying that these days child is not behaving well. He is very much cranky. He has started shouting and throwing tantrums and whatnot. So friends, today we are going to talk on how to handle child's behavior. First of all, we need to understand that our child learns through their surrounding, and these days you are the only one whom they are observing. I'm going to share 5 points which will help you to handle your child's behavior very well. So let's get started. The point number 1, communicate with your child. When child throws tantrum, what generally child does? He shouts, he cries, or throw things, bang head, or hit parents or sibling. A tantrum is child's way of expressing anger, frustration, or any other kind of emotion. But the important point is, how do you react on this? Do you scold them or do you punish them? At such situation, instead of impulsive reaction, your thoughtful action is required. Find out the root cause of why child is feeling so. Calmly talk to him. Try to recollect whether you had promised something and failed to complete. Handle the situation patiently. Try telling your side through a story which can relate the situation. This will help pacifying child. Friends, communication is the key to build bonds. Second point, be attentive to child. Make them feel that you are listening to them. Children always seek attention. Of course, you must be busy with your work, but at the same time, keeping their mental health aligned is also your responsibility. So, when child is sharing something with you, sit with them, understand what exactly he is expressing, and just don't listen to him, but also share your views on what exactly he is saying to you. Because child loves to be heard. Third point, spend quality time with child. These days, children are at home. They are not meeting new people. They are not seeing their friends or the family members. You are the only one whom they are seeing 24/7. That is why it is necessary to spend quality time with child. Take out the board games, have meals together, take out the colors and paints, do video calls to your friends, to their friends, to your relative like Dada, Dadi, Nana, Nani. Make a schedule. Try to spend at least an hour with them. This will give child the sense of belonging and ultimately which will help to feel them secure and safe. The fourth point, friends, engage them in some meaningful activities. Remember, always help child learn new skills and succeed. Praise them to help them feel proud of what they can do. Engage them in some meaningful activities. There can be number of offline activities which you can give child to try. Also start with something simple before moving to more challenging tasks. Give them day-to-day tasks, ask them to help you in household work or give them puzzle solving or something simple. This will improve their problem solving capacity and ultimately their self-esteem will be raised. Now the fifth point, friends, which is be compassionate to your child. Being compassionate doesn't mean that you will give children what they want or encourage this behavior further. Here, compassion translates into acknowledging your child's feelings, listening patiently, talking gently, and responding with composure. This kind of parenting response will give a sense of comfort and security to your children, even if their behavior is inappropriate. You must be anchor of his life. Be approachable to your child. You need to remember that you are the adult in this situation. Child is after all a child. Hope these tips help you in long run. So bye for now and see you soon. Bye bye.